Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you fix your card has been declined mode on PayPal? Now, it's a very common glitch, so to say, in the matrix on the PayPal, so to say. So all you have to do is refresh, uninstall your application. Go ahead to Play Store or your App Store if you want to, or you could just go ahead and click on uninstall here first to manually do it. But for Android, let's go ahead on the Play Store, but on iPhones you go to your App Store as well. So once you're there, just go ahead and search PayPal. Let's go ahead. And once you're here, you just go ahead and click uninstall. And mine is working well, so I'm not going to do it. Just go ahead and install and reinstall, and that'll be good from there, because this happens to me multiple times in a month. I don't know what happened, but that's just basically how I fix it. So that's just it, guys. I hope this video is educational for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.